All right, you guys, the time has come. TRX4 Mini, we took it for a little ride. Now we're going to upgrade all the steering components. We're going to upgrade all the suspension components. We're going to put some wheel extenders on it, extend her out about 10 millimeters further on the wheels, and we're going to put all new axles with all the upgrades you could think of in them, and the steering one with servo already on board. Look at that, guys. Portal axles. She's about to be tall with the portals. Oh, she's about to be sick. Oh, I can't wait. Let's get this thing together. Let's get into these suspensions. All right, guys, so I found another bag I will not be using because they sent these. This is a different design. This bar here is for the single bar that's on the truck. This has got a double bar setup. This does not fit here. These are the little caster pins. This is portal axles. These are little caster pin or hooks that go on here for the little C casters. Do not need it on here. These are the inside bearings for in here on this axle. We're not going to be using none of that. We do have the diff housings and all that. We could have upgraded it, but we're not. So this is not going on there now. So all we're actually going to have to do is these axles and these suspension upgrades and put on these wheel extenders, because none of this stuff is needed, guys. This is all for the stock setup, and we're going portal axles, raising this baby up in the air. So let's just get the parts that will fit on here and see where we go from there. So we popped off 2 links here and these 2 screws, and we pull off these 2 back here in the back, and it literally drops the whole front assembly off. 4 screws, you got it all attached. We're going to pop the drive shafts off too. We got upgraded drive shafts as well. So here we go. Size of this thing, metal geared servo. Look at that. All right, just look at the quality of this, guys. These parts are phenomenal. All right, you guys, she's done. Look how high she sits now. Oh, that's sweet. Look at her. You got the diff lockers right here because these RC all-wheel drive. They come with the open diffs in them. Little diff lockers right there. Look how sweet that is now, guys. Look how high that is. Look at the, oh, that is nasty, boys. Look at her. RC all-wheel drive, thank you, guys. Portal axles, badass. This thing is sick. Look how high she sits now. Running video soon.